Hey guys, so we're making lots of stuff today. It's a cook day, and in here I've got French fries soaking. Now these are going to be my campfire fries, which you've been following along the shorts and the videos and everything. As you always see that when we have a cook day, I traditionally cook fries alongside with whatever else we're cooking. It doesn't really matter. Today happens to be a black bean day with chuletas and longaniza, but also I'm cooking hamburgers. So I'm gonna be cooking fries with the hamburgers. But if you guys know me, I cook fries anytime the campfire is going, I will cook fries out there. So it's the simple fry recipe. Everyone knows how to do this. You cut up some fries, soak them in water for 20-30 minutes, take them out, dry them, season them, and then we'll get outside on the fire once the griddle is ready and hot. Stick around, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. All right, everybody, that's super easy. Whatever spices you want. I just do some olive oil, garlic, salt, onion powder, parsley flakes, paprika, tomillo, which is thyme, and parsley. Did I say parsley? And black pepper. That's all I put in there. And then when I get it on the grill, I will use butter. But we'll show that in a bit, so stay tuned. I'm out here, got the griddle hot, got my butter and my taters. I'm gonna get the butter out, get that on there, slather that up. Potatoes already have oil on them, but just give me a little extra here. And then we simply like so. These all stirred up. The sun is so bright, but the food is gonna be tasty. It's all gonna be worth it in the end. Keep turning these. All right, folks, time to take these off. Get them in a bowl so we can get inside and get eating. The thing is all my kitty cats are asking for fries right now. Does that smell good, Lucas? Also, we got Pippin. Yeah, Pippin's coming up. Everybody's. Oh, that's Frodo, actually. Frodo and Lucas are like, potatoes. Anyway, those are my campfire potatoes, which you can eat with anything. I've got hamburgers going outside, so we're going to have some here in a minute. Super simple to make. They only take about 15-20 minutes once they're on the griddle. I like mine a little extra, but Chris doesn't like them quite as brown as I do, so this is about perfect consistency here. Spices as you see fit. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. They're really delicious. They go with everything. And leftovers, I use them in scrambled eggs. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff if I forgot to mention it before. Till next time, cheers.